Now, once you've opened your project, there are a few ways that you can add a black box in. Now, firstly, the easiest way is just simply change the color of a box. Like for example, over here I have a box. Now, if you change the color directly to black, it will change the color. Now, if you want an outline box or a box that you can change the shape of, or you want to put it on top of something, what you do is go to the elements option, then take one of the shapes. So I want a rectangle over here, so choose this option. So you can drag and drop this option onto the canvas over here, or just click on it. It will automatically appear over here. Now again, if you want the black box, you can change the color, then you can change the size in whichever way you want. But if you just simply want a black bordered box, let me show you how to get that too. So firstly, what you have to do is select the box, then click on the border style over here and choose a border style over here. Then add the thickness over here. And if you want rounded corners, you can also get that. And now to isolate the black boundary over here, again choose the box, go to the color option and choose this no color option. And that will make it a transparent color. And now you can adjust the size. You can place on things like this too. So this is how you can create black boxes and black outlines in Canvas. So this is how you can create black boxes and add in your Canva. So if you want to subscribe to Canva, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.